We're told the double number line shows that 5 pounds of avocados cost $9. And so what is going on here with this double number line? This shows how as we increase the number of avocados, how the cost increases. So for example, when we have 0 pounds of avocados, it costs us $0. When we have 5 pounds of avocados, it costs us $9. And so if you look at any point over here, let's say you look right over here, this would be, let's see, this is 1, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you look at 1, this point on the cost number line would tell you how much 1 pound of avocado would cost. 2 pounds of avocados, how much would that cost? You would look at this second number line right over there. So they ask us, based on the ratio shown in the double number line, what is the cost for 1 pound of avocados? So pause the video and think about it. Remember, 1 pound of avocados on this top number line. We look at the second number line. The cost would be right over here. What is this going to be? Well, we could just set it up as a ratio. The ratio of pounds of avocados to cost is going to be, let me do this in some colors. So if I have 5 pounds of avocados, it is going to cost me $9. So the ratio of pounds to dollars is 5 to 9. So if I were to have 1 pound of avocado, I have divided by 5 to get 1 pound of avocado. I would have to do the same thing for the cost. So if I divide 9 by 5, this is going to be 9/5 dollars would be the cost of 1 pound. Well, 9/5 isn't always the most natural way to write money. So you could view this 9/5 is equal to 1 4/5, which is equal to 1 8/10, which is equal to 1.8, or you could say this is $1.80. So if you were to go on to this double number line, the cost of 1 pound of avocado, this point right over here would be $1.80. If you said 2 pounds of avocados, well now you would double it. So this would be $3.60. And you would go on and on and on all the way until you got to $9 here. Let's do another example. So here we are told the double number line shows how many model trains Irene can build in a week. So we can see in 0 weeks she can't build any trains, but in 1 week she can build 9 trains. And they ask us which table represents the rate of Irene building model trains. So pause this video and see if you can figure it out. So once again, every week she can build 9 trains. So one way to think about it is the ratio of week to trains would be 1 to 9. So let's see. If I look at this table, I just want to see where the ratio between weeks to trains stays at 1 to 9. So 5 to 45, that is still 1 to 9. To go from 1 to 5, I've multiplied by 5. And then to go to 9 to 45, I've also multiplied by 5. So this one checks out. Now, and another way to think about it is 45 is 9 times 5. So 9 times. And that might be an easier way to think about it. Over here, 12 to 108. Well, that's once again, 12 times 9 is 108. And then 26 to 234. Let's see, 26 times 10 would be 260 minus 26. Yeah, it would be 234. So this is 9 times. So in all of these cases, the ratio of trains or the ratio of weeks to trains is 1 to 9. So this one is looking good. So I'll just circle that in. But let's just make sure that this one doesn't work. Well, over here, the ratio of weeks to trains is 9 to 1, not 1 to 9. The train should be 9 times the weeks, while here the weeks is 9 times the train. So just looking at that first one, we know that this is not going to work out. Let's do one last example. The double number line shows how many snowballs Jacob and his friends can make in 1 minute. In no minutes, they can make 0 snowballs. In 1 minute, they can make 12. Complete the table to show the same information as the double number line. So once again, pause this video and see if you can work this out. Well, we can think about it as a ratio. The ratio of minutes to snowballs is 1 to 12. So minutes to snowballs is 1 to 12. Or another way to think about it is the snowballs is going to be 12 times the minutes. And so over here, if I have 12 snowballs, well, we already know that's going to be 1 minute. If I have 48 snowballs, well, let's just think about it. To go from 12 to 48, you have to multiply by 4. So you have 4 times as many snowballs. It's going to take you 4 times as many minutes. And then if you go to 5, well, to go from 1 to 5, you multiply by 5. So you're going to have 5 times as many snowballs than you would be able to make in 1 minute. So 5 times 12 is 60. And we're done. It could be 1 to 12, 4 to 48, 5 to 60. For every 5 minutes, you can make 60 snowballs. Or they make 60 snowballs.